you're chronically online on any platforms except dating apps, you've definitely seen these hot, exotic men and women covered in blood or in evil crime scenes with soul-touching, back-arching, toes-curling fan edits. These are the top on the list. Rafe Cameron, Love Quinn, Evan Peters in American Horror Story, Pennywise from Hemlock Grove, Lyle or Father Charlie, played by Nicholas Chavez, Jennifer from Jennifer's Body, Bucky Barnes, Anakin Skywalker, Harley Quinn, Damon Salvatore, Georgina Sparks, Joe fucking Goldberg. Okay. What do they all have in common? They're psychos, manipulators, and walking green flags. And somehow, we're all obsessed with them. But it's deeper than attraction. They're everything we wish we could be. They don't care, they don't beg, they get their job done easily and are always successful. And when they win, it feels like you win. You want the freedom they represent, the ability to stop caring and still be the one in control. Not to mention the fact that they're actually all attractive actors. Psychologically, these characters trigger something primal. Our brains release dopamine when we see power mixed with danger. It's the same chemical that reacts to fear and attraction, rewarding you for watching something forbidden, giving you that addictive rush. Philosophically, they mirror your shadow, the part that wants control, revenge, or entropy but never acts on it. So when you see them, it feels like you're living that darkness safely without guilt. And your brain loves that illusion. We don't just watch them, we project onto them. They're the embodiment of every impulse we've buried under politeness and fear. Each of these characters turns failure into power, using their wounds to manipulate and control. They think in a creative, strategic way to make their mission succeed. Beneath the sassy diva exterior, they channel their pain to capture the viewer's experience, metaphorically. So yeah, do you like them too?